Okay, I saw some kids do this. They did a good job on it. Um, Alfred is practicing typing. The first time he tested himself, he could type 45 words a minute. That's actually pretty good. After practicing for a week, he could type 48 words a minute. After 2 weeks, he could type 51 words a minute. And that's enough for us to get a sense of the pattern. Okay? Based on that pattern, how fast uh, predict how fast Alfred will be able to type after 4 weeks of practice. Okay, notice that it's not sequential. It goes 1 week, 2 weeks. They don't talk about 3 weeks. But let's make a table here. Okay, let's make a table, and we could say, let's write it in, number of weeks, and then number of words per minute. Now, the first week when he tested himself, he hadn't practiced yet. So we call that 0 weeks. At 0 weeks, he could type 45. At 1 week, he could type 48, an increase of 3. After 2 weeks, he could type 51, another increase of 3. It appears as though we're increasing by 3 each time. Okay? So if you added 2 more weeks on there, that would be 2 more groups of 3, or 6 that we should add on, and we should get 57. And I'll fill in this middle number, even though they never asked about it, by saying, okay, at the pace he's doing it, he's going to increase by another 3 words per minute. So that would be 54. So you can see that going up by 3 every time. You don't really need to do it. You just need to say every 1 week increases you by how much? And if it increases you by 3, then you say, okay, I'm going to take however many weeks they say to go from the last value I had. I will just multiply that number of weeks by 3 because he's increasing by 3 every week. Okay, so I could make this leap right from here to here and say if it's 3 every week and he's going 3 weeks into the future, 3 times 3 is 9. So if I added 9 on to 48, I would get 57. So the answer, if we were to write it out, 57 words per minute.